Hey guys, Nancy Walsh here. I'm here with Kevin.
Hi.
And we are going to do a tour of the Jefferson. This is our model home. It's Jefferson. It's the D elevation. You can see it has the balcony up there at the top.
That's a great porch and it's off the primary bedroom.
Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and go inside.
All right. We're out here at T Farm, by the way, right?
I guess that is important to know. Yes, we are at T Farm here in Ravenel, homes built by Ashton Woods. All right, let's go inside now. I love the glass door.
Welcome.
Hello, Mr. Walsh. Thank you for inviting me in today. All right, here we are in the foyer. You can see there's so much natural light.
Nice wide corridor.
All right. This is the guest bedroom.
That's a pretty good sized closet for a guest bedroom.
That it is. They might just stay a little bit longer than a little bit. All right. And then this is the guest bathroom.
Oh yeah, we would be able to get rid of our guests for that accommodation.
Right. They'll be staying for longer. And here is the dining room. Look at this amazing mirror that they put in here. And this right here is a half bath. Now this is a little bit larger than normal because it has to be handicap accessible because this is our model home. So otherwise it'll just be a standard.
I would call that a powder room.
Powder room?
You can get all kinds of powder in there.
All right, what do you think of this?
Beautiful. What is it?
Isn't it? I know. It is just beautiful. Electric fireplace. We are an electric community. And then look at this kitchen. Great counter space.
Gourmet kitchen?
Gourmet kitchen, yes, for my gourmet chef.
That's me.
So, yes, so here's a great countertop, you know, for prepping meals, for watching somebody make the meals.
This is huge.
It is huge.
That's a lot of counter space.
Yes, it is just stunning. And this, let me also add that this is our Serene collection. So we have the gold handles, gold faucet. Look at those lights.
Soft close.
Oh, yes. Show me that one more time. Soft close. Oh, I almost forgot. We have a butler's pantry over here.
Now the wine fridge is optional.
The wine fridge is optional.
That's a nice wine fridge.
That is a nice wine fridge. It can also be a coffee bar. All right. Oh, and then let me just show you before we head upstairs. We have this covered porch. And you can screen those in. All right, here we are at the top of the stairs. Let me just give you a quick look down there. That is just so grand. Love the natural light. All right, so upstairs you have your laundry room. To the left is another guest bedroom. They have their own guest bed, or it could be for your favorite child.
Or an Airbnb.
All right. Should we do the primary now or?
Oh, let's save that for the end.
Okay. All right. Let's check out the two bedrooms here in the front that are joined by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Great space. This is a full-size bed. Let me also add all these rooms are a really good size. Double sink. And then you've got your bathroom. I like the way this is separated. And then this would be the last secondary bedroom that we have. Also has a really good closet.
Is that a window in the closet?
That is a window in the closet.
Great.
All right, just a little sneak peek off this door here is the balcony. So you can access it from the hallway, or let's take a look. Or through the primary. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? All the light and the space. A true retreat. Who wouldn't like coming home to this bedroom?
It is pretty fantastic.
It is.
Look outside. One place for your morning coffee. Now that'll be a pool over there.
Yes, that is going to be our amenity center. We'll have a resort style pool, a park for the kids, and a fire pit. All right, let's look at the primary bathroom. This has a lot of space in it too. I love the extra long countertop. Just think of all the stuff I can put on this countertop.
Yes, I can imagine. Fill that up. Pretty good.
You got your linen closet and the shower.
Party shower.
The party shower.
Get more people in there easy.
We know Kevin likes a party shower.
Party shower.
All right. Well, that sums up our tour today.
What about the closet?
Oh, I forgot the
It's not even a
closet.
walk-in closet. This is a sit-in closet.
It is a sitting closet. It even has a bench. Well, this sums up our tour of the Jefferson. This is a 2-story, beautiful, stunning home. Wouldn't you agree?
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It is.
It's a lot of home.
It is a lot of home. It would be great for families. Even if you're downsizing, this would still be a good home for downsizing, especially if you're coming from up north with those 5,000 square foot homes. So this square foot on this one is about 3,200 square foot. If you'd like more information, you would like to schedule your tour, or interested in any other models here that we have at T Farm, give me a call. You can reach me at 843-718-4285. I'm Nancy Walsh over here at T Farm, and this is
Kevin Walsh. And if you need that buyer's agent, don't forget, even if it's new construction, you need a buyer's agent. You can call me at 843-224-8621. The Husted Team, powered by Keller Williams.
all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye.